we're gonna build this diorama. Let's check it out. So I found this little diorama on Amazon. Uh, Originally it goes for around $20, but it was on discount for 15. And it's a parking lot. Let me show you. Let's crack it open. It's come pre-built, so we just have to assemble a few parts. And see what's it all about. I like that it has its own protective case, prevent from dust getting into the model. Let's move this out of the way for now. And open it up. It's pretty simple. Here's the instructions. But I think it's pretty self-explanatory. These things go on the side. I don't think it matters how we do it. Maybe. It just have to be like this. And then we put the top. I think it has a protective film. So I see bubbles. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe I just scratched it. No, it has balls in it, so should be a. There it is. Yeah, it has a protective film. You need the film. Bam. And that part just hooks perfectly on the top. And it has these little notches so cars don't move. So I think I have a few cars that don't fit on my normal displays. I'm gonna show you how do I display my cars. I usually keep them on this protective cases, but some of these cars are either way too big this way or too tall or too long like this one too. I haven't been able to put this Fast and Furious anywhere. It's just, and I don't think it's gonna fit here either. Yeah, it's not gonna fit once I put the acrylic. Darn it. Above the bottom? No. Well, it fits, but it won't. It won't stay on the notch, but it's okay. Um, let's try the band and see if the band fits here at the bottom. Oh, So yeah, the band does fit. And I'm gonna grab a few models and start placing them in there. So sit back. Okay, so let's feed a couple more cars. Let's start with this Cobra Super Chase from Matchbox. Let's put it right here. Got this BMW M5. That one right here. Got this premium Forerunner. And I wanted to grab different type of style cars. Actually, let's put this one down here. We got this Audi RS7 from Hot Wheels. This one is a Elite 64. So let's put it right here. We have this R32. Yeah, R34 from the Timeless Icons. And we have another Elite 64. This Porsche with the 911 with the PlayStation decal. And that's it. We can leave it at that, or maybe grab another one. Trying to think. Maybe this 35. There we go. Pretty nice little display from Amazon. Like I said, I like I like the setup. You can fit 8 cars, normal cars, as long as they're not long like this one or super tall. But let me know what you think. Let me know how you store your diecast. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and like the video so we can keep bringing you more diecast. And let me know how you store your stuff and comment, please. Till the next one. Bye.